My name's Don West. I'm the welding instructor here at the Weber facility. Glad you chose to register for welding. Whenever you're ready to come in, all you need to bring is yourself. All of your gear will be issued for you. Wear whatever you like day one. Bring in pencils, paper, anything to write with, and if you can't, we can supply that for you. Over here we have the gear you'll be issued. You've got your gloves, safety glasses, welding jacket, welding helmet. Like I said, it will all be yours. It's not necessarily returnable, it belongs to you. In the shop, we have 4 different welding processes and 2 different cutting processes. We have stick welding, MIG welding, we have TIG welding, flux core, plasma cutting, torch cutting, crack cutting. So we keep you very busy in here if you're willing. Okay, this is where we're located. We're across from the main schoolhouse over here, which is probably, you're familiar with that. This big parking lot, park anywhere you like. It's all wide open to you. Over on this side, you'll see a brick building. That's the construction class and also where the restrooms are located. And if you follow me, we'll go in the shop and you can see where we're gonna go on day one. This is the classroom. This is where you're going to spend your first day. When you come in, you see basically the door will be open. All the welding posters inside and step on in. You'll come in, you'll have a seat. All your paperwork and registration forms will be taken care of right as soon as you get here. After that, we'll continue on with your safety training, and once the safety training is complete, we'll walk you into the shop and you'll begin welding. Let's go. So here's the welding shop. Machines on your right and on your left are accessible to every student. We have enough processes in here to keep everyone busy. Stick welding is the main focus. That's the machines here you see on the walls. We have protective screens for your vision, high ceilings, fans, open doors, everything to keep clear ventilation in the shop. We have, heading back here, we have the fabrication and tool room. You'll check out tools from over here in the toolbox. You need the cutting outfit. It's also set over here. Gases, everything that is not to do with immediate running metal on metal will be picked up in here. Cutting electrodes, sticks, filler metals, tools, wrenches, screwdrivers, you name it, we got it. All right, thanks for coming by on this tour, and I look forward to seeing you on your first day.